Today we have for you our Pro-X 12 megapixel 5K turret, model number LXIP3C122WI-28MDA. Included in the box is an installation guide, declaration documents, a drilling template, waterproof cable covers, and screws and anchors. This tiny but mighty camera will be a major upgrade to both existing and new security installs. The LXIP3C122 is part of our Pro AI series, which includes X-Search, which helps operators save time identifying and searching for targets during playback or live views. And with its 5K resolution, operators can capture these targets with greater detail. Just a few features this IP camera comes equipped with are smart dual illumination, supplemental white light LED, and IR matrix that can reach up to 30 meters, a 0.0005 lux rating, MD 2.0, VCAs, and a built-in mic. This 5K camera includes connections for RCA audio in and out, alarms, connections for power through PoE or DC 12 volt. For a full list of features and specs, please follow the link below to its webpage. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. For more content like this, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Comment below for what you want to see next.